Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create flyer design heavy-duty trucks poster effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, you need to add an image. I already have the image. Add it to the canvas. Then, increase the size. Click on the R button to add it to square canvas. Next, add the square at the canvas and increase its size. Then, go to the color option and choose any color. I chose one. Click on the settings option, select gradient, and click on the third color option. Lower the color to 18%. Choose any style. I selected the second color and rotate it. Finally, increase the size. Next, click on the R button again to add the square to the canvas. Then, increase the size. Go to the color option and choose any color. I chose white. Click on the transparency option and lower it to 31%. Now, add the truck image. I already have the image. Add it to the canvas. Then, click on Edit Image. Scroll down, click on Shadow, and select Curved. Increase the size. Next, lower the blur amount to 15%. Reduce the distance to 0%, and decrease the curve to 20%. Then, click on Element and add a shadow line to the right side. Next, click on the Duplicate option and add it to the bottom. Duplicate it again and add it to the left side. Finally, duplicate it and add it to the top. This is our image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.